Today I have this 12 by 15 panel. It almost looks like a picket fence, and I picked this up at Walmart. It has a hanger on the back, and they have quite a few different platforms that you can use. I'm going to be using this pot of grass. I believe I grabbed that at Christmas Tree Shop. You can get it at IKEA. Many places you can get these little grasses. And I'm going to be pulling them out. I'm going to be clipping off the ends, and I'm going to be gluing them along the baseline of that trim at the bottom of my panel. And I'm just hot gluing it. I'm pulling them out of the pot, clipping the ends, and then gluing the grass. I found this bunny butt at Dollar Tree. It came in pink and blue. It was on a stick, and I clipped the stick off. Using hot glue, I'm gluing it to that little trim line in front of the grass. I found these napkin ears, these Easter napkin ears at Hobby Lobby. They're very inexpensive, few dollars. I clipped the ears off, and I'm going to glue them just under the bunny butt at the top. I had these little carrots. These are a Dollar Tree item. I'm going to glue 2 to the left and 1 to the right. I found this galvanized welcome sign also at Dollar Tree. I'm using E6000 and just a little bit of hot glue to hold it while the E6000 dries. And I'm going to glue that to the other top trim of my panel. Taking some buffalo check to match the ears, I'm just going to make a basic bow. I'm going to use wire to hold the center together. I'm going to hot glue it between the 2 carrots on the left. I'm going to trim it with my pinking shears, I'm sorry. And I found these little bows, rope bow, and I found that in the wedding section at Hobby Lobby. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.